Hare Krishna, dear kids. So today is the disappearance day of Sri Gopala Bhatta Goswami Maharaj. So all the little Gaurangis have already read this pastime in the form of this beautiful comic series. And this was the first one that we created here, that especially I designed for them. And then on the basis of this, they created their own on Jagannath Ji's pastime. So let's read out, because already Gaurangis have read. They used to see and read all of these things. So let's share with other smaller friends as well. And it is for everyone to enjoy, because this pastime is not just like if you are a kid, you will enjoy reading it, but it's for everyone. So let's read this comic. This is the pastime of Sri Radharaman Ji Lal. Radharaman Ji ki jai, Radharaman Ji ki jai. And this comic series I designed especially for the appearance day of Sri Sri Radharaman Ji. And this we had released long time ago. I think it has been 2 or 3, 4 years that I did this. 4 years ago. So let's begin. In Vrindavan, a few hundred years ago, appeared Sri Radharaman Ji. Here goes the pastime, and it was Vaishakh Purnima. And where did it happen? In Vrindavan. Long ago, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu instructed Gopal Bhatta Goswami to serve his parents. And this is somewhere in South India. And at that time, it was Chaturmas. Chaturmas means a period of 4 months when generally the sannyasis don't move around. They stay at one place, chant the Lord's name and meditate and eat very less. To serve his parents till they depart from this material world. And what were the instructions of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu? After they depart, go and reside in Vrindavan. As you desire, Mahaprabhu. Gopal Bhatt did exactly as he was instructed. Later, before going to Vrindavan, let me take a dip here. And which river is this? River Gandaki. Dip, dip, dip. So Gopal Bhatta Goswami Maharaj took a dip. Okay, let me just put it like this. It will be easier. While he bathed, what happened? Alas! What's this? These are shaligrams. You see these small stones? These are shaligram shilas. They appear all by themselves. See, that is the power of the Lord. Oh no, I can't manage these. I'll put these back. So Gopal Bhatta Goswami put these shaligram shilas back. And then what happened? Let's see. The shilas came back. Again. Oh no, 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 no. Let me put these back. Yet again. Oh, thrice. It means the Lord wants me to worship them. Okay, I'll take these. Gopal Bhatt dipped thrice. Now what happens in Vrindavan? In Vrindavan, Srila Gopal Bhatta Goswami served Rupa Goswami and Sanatan Goswami. He's Rupa Goswami, he's Sanatan Goswami. And worshipped the Shilas. Once, a rich man came by with an intent to serve the Vaishnavas. And what did he give? Please accept these clothes and jewelry and decorate your deities. Oh, this man has donated so much. This is Gopal Bhatta Goswami Maharaj who is thinking, oh, this man has donated so much. Alas, I had a deity of Krishna. I could have decorated the beautiful form of the Lord. But now I just have the shaligram, and he was literally in tears. What to do with these? Thinking such, Gopal Bhatt slept. Thinking of Krishna, he's sleeping. Then what happened? The next day morning, Oh, there are only 11. Where's the 12th one? Oh, here! How merciful the Lord is! The Damodar Shila has transformed itself. Oh my God! So the 12th one that was missing actually transformed itself all by itself, and that is why it's called Swayambhu. All the Shaligram Shilas are Swayambhu only into the most magnificent form. Adabra kadabra chu, Hare Krishna, Hari Bol. So the Damodar Shila got transformed into Shri Shri Radha Ramanji. Bolo Shri Shri Radha Ramanji ki Jai. Shri Vrindavan Dham ki Jai. And then Shri Gopal Bhatta Goswami Maharaj decorated the Lord like this. Shri Shri Radha Raman Ji ki Jai. Hari Hari Bol. Radhe 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 Shyam. Jai Shri Vrindavan Dham. Jai Shri Shri Radha Raman Lal ki Jai.